Shenzhen Paydevice Technology Company Limited, established in 2014, is a professional company which engages in the research, development, sale and service of POS terminals, self-service kiosks, electronic scales, advertising displays, etc. We are located in Shenzhen and Nantong with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced teams are always available to discuss your requirements accordingly. In addition, we have obtained CE, FCC and ISO 9001 certificates. Selling well in China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions such as Europe, North America, Central Asia, etc. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting current products from us, or you have a customized need, you can talk to our sales teams about your sourcing requirements. We always aim at providing quality products with competitive prices for customers. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. To supply good products and services, we have built a modern quality management system, which is in strict accordance with international standards. We can customize products with clients' brand, pack items with gift boxes and labels, help customers arrange door-to-door delivery. Welcome to visit us. Glad to build friendship and establish business relationship with you.